The 0022, a Tim Gallion design. At 4.75 inches in overall length, the 0022 is ZT's smallest model in production. It operates on KVT ball bearings with a flipper tab. The 0022 features a carbon fiber front handle, stonewashed titanium back handle, and blue anodized titanium tube spacer. The 1.8-inch blade is made of ultra-premium CPM 20CV steel with a stonewashed finish. The pocket clip is a reversible tip-up carry. To keep the blade securely open, it uses a titanium frame lock with hardened steel LOCKBAR insert. The smallest knife in the ZT lineup is aptly named after one of the smallest firearm calibers, the .22.